Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and according to Google, we will actually show you a little bit of what you can do to stay as safe as possible on your Google account or your Gmail account. Friday, there was a release of a report by Google. They were actually looking at how you could stay safe on your Gmail and your Google account. And of course, this probably applies to a lot more than that, but this was something that was released Friday about Gmail itself or Google accounts themselves. Looking at who's been hacked and those that have not been hacked, what did they do different? And of course, it turns out that after 1 year of observations, they said that having two-factor authentication kind of protects you almost 100%. So you should turn on two-factor authentication. So how does it work and where you do that? When you are on your Google page and you're logged in, you'll see a little avatar on the upper right. If you got no pictures or anything, you'll have just a letter representing, with your Gmail and so on. Click on that and go into Google Accounts. Here on the left side, you will see something that's called Security. In here, what you need to do is make sure that two-step verification is turned on. If it says off on your account, what you need to do is actually go there and turn it on and follow the instructions. Now, how it works is several ways. There are several ways that we can verify that it's you. So, of course, one is using your phone. If you got a smartphone, Android or iOS, you can actually install the Google Authenticator app. That is nice because once that is activated with your account, when you log in or somebody tries to log in from a computer that they don't know, it's never been used before with that account, it's going to actually ask you to confirm a connection on your smartphone screen. You just have to press yes. And of course, it's nice because if bad guys are trying to get into your account, it's going to show up and you can just say no. The other thing that is of interest with this is you can also use text messaging or a call on your phone. And that's good for those that have just a flip phone. You don't have really a smartphone. All you got is a little flip phone or something. Well, if you got text messaging, you can turn on text messages. It'll send you a secret code. Voice is going to call you with a code. And finally, if you got a phone at home but don't have any smartphones or anything so you don't get text messages, you can use voice verification. That will actually call you with a code. So every options are possible. So turn on two-step verification. It's extremely important, and will enable you to stay safe because it will be able to identify that it's really you if something is happening to your account. If you like our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.